This design is ideal when you want to visually explain a roadmap or future plan, and everything is built cleanly using Photoshop custom shapes. Create a wide canvas in Photoshop to allow horizontal movement. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw several rounded rectangles side by side, each representing a roadmap phase. Use different soft colors to separate each phase visually. Now select the arrow shape and place arrows between each rectangle to guide the flow from left to right. Add phase titles at the top of each block using the Type tool, followed by short descriptions below. To enhance clarity, duplicate one block and slightly raise it upward to highlight the current stage. Apply a gentle inner shadow to all blocks for depth. Once you zoom out, the roadmap looks structured, professional, and easy to understand.